Hello and welcome to this Beat Your Competition online lesson on SEMrush certifications. Students tell us that while they learned a lot from our course and managed to implement our videos into their work successfully, they still have clients or employers ask for proof that they are SEMrush masters. Fortunately, SEMrush has you covered. Together with the team at Beat Your Competition Online, the SEMrush Academy has created several certification exams to help you prove your SEMrush knowledge. Let us have a look. Start by pointing your browser to semrush.com/academy. The page should show some exam options, which you can click or feel free to click View All Exams. When prompted, enter your name as you'd like it to appear on your certificate. Then click the green Proceed to Exam button. You'll have to answer a couple of dozen questions on a timed basis. Also, you'll need at least 70% correct, and if you pass, you can download your certificate as PDF or PNG. You can then share your results on LinkedIn or Twitter, or anywhere else that accepts links. So that's the SEMrush certification process. It's a quick and free way to prove your SEMrush knowledge. Use it to impress employers and clients. See you in the next video.